Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today is Throwback Thursday, y'all, and I have out here possibly one of the best flying drones I have, the Jun Cheng mini drone. And I have two of them, and a little bit briefly on the history of this guy. It came out long time ago. But really the main thing about this that I wanted to let you guys know, that it's extremely rare and there are several different versions of it. This is an example of the bad version that I have. Actually, it comes in black or white, black and gold, orange and white. It's labeled a good one because it's compatible with multi-protocol transmitters. It's on a CX10 green protocol or Huiying Toys protocol, and this one is one of the bad ones. It flies horrible, it falls out of the sky a bunch, and it's just not that good of a flyer. So both extremes from this company on one model, the Jun Cheng mini drone. There's also another version of this quad that flies really well, but it's not deviated or anything, no multi-protocol support. But it does not have consistency, I guess. Sometimes it falls out of the sky, does what it wants to do. I had a video on that one. It flies awesome, maybe a little more agile than this one that I have here, but this one is the deviated one and it's not that far off from the other one. Really awesome flyer, awesome yaw rate and everything. Let's get it in the air so you guys can see how it flies. I don't even have a model set up for this guy. Let's see. CX10. No, CX10.
A few moments later.
Wow, so let me try to land it. I don't have any of my mixer channels set up, right? So let's get into the mixer. I have never flown this with this transmitter here. See if we can get this guy going. Okay, y'all still slow. I don't know what it is with this. I might have to fly this guy again another time once I figure this out, what's going on with the yaw and everything. But this thing is a really awesome flyer. The yaw is usually a whole lot faster than that, and the pitch as well. So I don't know what's going on. Let me see if I got the channel flip. Okay, I got the flip channel set up correctly. Oh, unbelievable the way things are going with this guy. Sheesh. And the prop fell down over here. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, guys. Unfortunately, we're probably going to have to end it here. Oh, looks like the prop is there. Found the prop. So let's try to get it in the air again. Back in the air with it. It's flying slow. Not going to do any flips because it seems like this prop is kind of loose on me. That's the fastest I can get it to go and turn with the way it is now. When I get home, I guess I'll figure out what the heck is going on with this thing, with this transmitter here. I think it's the transmitter for sure. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see how this thing is meant to fly on deviation. So you guys can see how fast this guy is and why I said that this is possibly the best flying micro drone I have. Because this video isn't doing it any justice. One of my favorite drones for sure. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can see it with all these leaves out here and the color of it has orange in it. Yeah, this yaw is like less than half of the yaw speed of this guy. Okay, so it's flashing. Guess I'm gonna end this flight now with it. I'll probably come out with another video today with this guy, maybe doing a night flight or something once I figure this guy out. The Jun Cheng mini drone, or JC3015 version 1, or maybe this is version 2. Thanks for watching.